Well, hi everybody. I thought I'd do a little different vlog. A blizzard's coming. Yes. Yeah, I know. And from what they say, 2 to 4 feet. So, so I thought I would do just what I do. So the first thing I do is, do I have enough food? No. And, well, the first thing that happens is I get an alert on my phone, and then my friends all call me. But when my best friend Jules calls me, that's when I know I better pay attention to this one. So, I need to get gas. I have all my medicines, so I don't need to worry about that. That would be one of the things I'd worry about. And I guess I'm going shopping. I had planned on doing nothing today, except answer some emails. I'm back from shopping. So I got 2 of the baby Dutch yellow that I like. One to go with chicken and one for stew. I got onion for the stew and some rolls to go with the stew. I got 2 cans of the clam chowder. I got some raw sugar. I got pepper and garlic powder. Some beef broth for the stew. Carrots for the chicken. Stew meat. That was a good deal. Then 2, 4. I think there's 6 chicken thighs. Some broccoli and cheese sauce. I have some steaks. Then some more Oreo thins. I really love them. Some hamburgers, milk, and I bought 2 of the salami with cheddar, and apparently 3, and 1 with the Gouda. Some orange rolls that I love, and coffee. And that's about it. So, blizzard update. I woke up at 9, it is 3. I have gone grocery shopping, got gas, and I forgot I needed a new inhaler, so I got a new inhaler. And the gas is just I have to have gas if there's a blizzard. It has dropped tremendously. Yesterday was in the mid 70s, and today it is like freezing. So I had to shut all the windows and turn the fryers back on. I didn't turn the pilot off, I just turned it off. Okay. And it is dropping. I don't know what the temp is. It's like, I'd say in the 40s and falling. Oh well. I got a package. And as soon as MaryEllen talked about these, I ordered them off Amazon. I'll put her link if you want to know why. The price was like excellent on them. But it's advanced thickening treatment. But it got her stamp as approval as not being, fake or something. So I am like so happy to get them, because I was going to have to order them off CVS, and I got them. I'll put the link to this. The age is just a few hours, because I got a few as I was getting ready to leave. 2 to 4 feet. And that's just the way it is in April here. I think being a single woman, you have to kind of like prepare for it a little more. Make sure that, you've got all your T's crossed and your I's dotted. I don't know if I've ever told you this, but we do have a plow truck driver on call for emergencies only. We kept running into him at the coffee store. And he runs a small business where he has plow trucks and, I don't know, I guess they're like street cleaning machines, but they're for parking lots only. And he's a really lovely man. And he always would say, you know, if you ever get in a bind, and you know, you need me for anything, you know, like, you know, if there's like, so we got together with him and we signed a contract, and we paid him in advance for 2 medical emergencies or 2 emergencies. And if we call him, you know, theoretically, we've not had to use him and we don't want to. He will drop everything and come get one of us if it's a medical emergency, take us to the hospital. Just have to think ahead. But that's what a collective, I don't know, 90 years of schooling will do. That was thing. Well, I am actually going to put the beef on ASAP because I'd like to have some stew tonight. And it's going to take a while to cook it. And I wasn't supposed to do anything today. Nothing. Except watch TV. Last night, are you ready for this? I watched The Real Housewives of Dallas. They're new. I watched the first 2 episodes of The Real Housewives of New York, which is New York and New Jersey. Well, New Jersey are my all-time favorite. And then an episode of The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. I'm telling you, it was a Real Housewife night. I loved it, I loved it, I loved it. It's, you know, what do they say? Guilty pleasure? That's my guilty pleasure. So let's open one of these, by the way. Let's look at them. See what they look like. Put your glasses on, open the lid. I don't know, they look like the real thing to me, but I don't know what the real thing looks like. I told a couple of my other friends, and they ordered them too. So we're all going to instantly start using it. I like the idea. Okay, well, Pantene. Hope you know what you're doing. So, I chop up the beef because it normally comes in not the focus. I must need to clean my lens. And then I cook it in beef stock and add as little water as I can to it. I just really like that excellent taste. Sometimes I brown it, sometimes I don't. It really just depends on my mood. I'm going to try to cook this till it's, you know, really nice and tender, so it's going to take several hours. So I'm going to add garlic powder, pepper, but no salt because of the broth. And put a lid on. Oh, and cut up an onion. I need to cut up the onion for it. So that's what I'm doing. So, one coarsely, and I mean coarsely. I like the taste of onion, so I'm going to put it in now. So, beef stew's going. Bringing it to a boil now, so I can put a lid on it. I don't like to put a lid on it till I get it under control, because you know, like when you put a lid on, everything goes. That's why my stove is always filthy. I was going to get these directions out and read them. You know what MaryEllen said? She's not a makeup guru. Well, MaryEllen, I gotta tell you, you're my makeup guru. And I bet you there's a lot of people out there that would say that too. So, just live with it, MaryEllen. You're my makeup guru. No, just lump it. What can I tell you? I appreciate everything you ever... I probably haven't even answered this video she did because I was too busy running off. to buy. If you want to know where, go watch. I'll link the video. You know. So, God, this stuff says in less than 1 week. Unless there is less hair within 1 week, there is less hair in your brush due to damp breakage, more texture to your hair that is less limp and easier to manage. Right now my hair is all flat because I did my roots the other day and I don't wash it for a couple days. I don't know. You would think permanent dye is permanent dye, but I always wait like 48 hours to wash my hair. So my hair looks like super bad. Well, so, like I said, I was going to do nothing today. But, oh, and my son's here, so he went, what? A blizzard, 2 to 4. Because, I mean, it was like, him and my daughter and I were talking about my need for a new swamp cooler. They are such sweeties. Let's see, I bought a bunch of toilet paper, put it away. I'm telling you, I'm just like flying high today. Now, just FYI, and that's all I'm saying. If you guys know my Walmart, there's never anybody there. So if you know, and please, I mean, I have to tell you this, but I don't want anyone to think it's weird or anything. But I found it extremely weird. But only because there's never anybody. There were at least 20 or 30 women shopping, and they had burqas on. Full. Yeah, I mean, full thing. As in, you know. And I just found, I was like, wow. What made today burqa day? And I don't mean that disrespectful in any way. It was just, it was weird. I don't think I've seen it, except if I have been in a country that requires them. I have never seen that many in one place. I mean, I don't attend a mosque or, you know, hang out with a very large Muslim community. It's just, I didn't even know we had that large of a Muslim community. That's what's surprising about it. I was like, everywhere I looked, there were women in black burqas, and it was like, wow, this is weird. I couldn't tell if they were happy or sad, obviously, but no, and I am in no way disrespecting. 2 of my best friends are Muslims, and I in no way would be disrespectful. And they're very old friends. But it was weird, I gotta tell you. I mean, think about it. When was the last place you've been? You saw 20 to 30 women wearing burqas. It was burqa day at Walmart. I just don't live in that big of a town where I thought that, I mean, I just don't know. I'm bewildered by it, okay? Just, that's all. I'm just bewildered by it. Well, blizzard update. A friend of mine, well, not a friend, but a neighbor. Well, yeah, we're friends, but came over and asked if I had any tarps I wasn't using, which I did, so I went out and got one. They're trying to cover their fruit trees. Poor things. Well, blizzard update. This is the part that we don't like. It is pouring cats and dogs while the temperature is dropping. So that means if it starts snowing, we're going to have this marvelous, just marvelous sheet of snow underneath it. I'll keep you updated. Well, the zoo's coming along fine. I'm just going to cook it as much as I can because Julie's coming up and we're going to go out and have Vietnamese food. So I might try to snap a picture of the food. Oh, it's always so good. So I guess that's it. Stew meat I don't think is quite done. I need to like try to, because I want it to be really, but I think it's enough where I could put the potatoes in. I can probably get the potatoes going pretty good. And then when we get home, she normally hangs around for a couple hours. And so I can always cook it when I get back. Finish it up. And it is raining cats and dogs. So, oops. A lot. Oh, well. Well, for sure tomorrow I can probably watch TV all day. Yay! No, I have to answer. I mean, if you ever send me an email, you should feel very lucky if I get it answered, because theoretically I get 50 to 75 emails a day. And this is how it works. 25 are email reminders to myself about what I've got to do, or less. But I'm just kind of rounding up the numbers. Because we have a online, I love it hanging out with programmers. We have an online calendar that will send you a reminder. Then I get 25 of stuff I'm going to do anyway. That the 25 email reminders. And then I get about 25 people who have questions or want to know things. I mean, those are like the most important ones. The reminders and stuff, I kind of ignore the in-between ones because they're on my reminder to do. So it's just ridiculous. That's why, when I get behind in answering, I don't have that many comments to answer, but it's just finding the time. I'm online all day long. It's just finding the time. Well, I love you guys. A bunch, and a bunch. Mwah.